Hi guys, Dad Gardner here. I'm your host, Jace Bowen. This is episode 50 and today we're going to give you 3 easy strategy tips on watering in the summer. Here we have 3 items: watering can, hose nozzle, basic sprinkler. Okay, so most people wonder, when should I water? Well, the perfect time to water is 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock in the morning, 7 o'clock at night. Okay, so let's go through the first item. Watering can. Your basic hose nozzle. That's what it looks like. We'll connect it up. Now it's just a snapping connection, just like that. It's adjustable, you can either squirt like that or turn your nozzle like that. They turn off quite easy. Okay, and last but not least, basic sprinkler. Costs a couple of dollars from local hardware store or Bunnings or somewhere like that. It's a pretty easy sprinkler. Move it around the yard. Click your hose in like that, and we'll have a look at that in action too. Okay, so you can see that hooked up. Does a great little job. Just move it around the yard a few times in certain areas. It's easy to control. No switches, no electrical stuff. Use a little bit of water, but it's okay to use in your yard. Pretty basic sprinkler. Go for it down a bit, it's got to be there. Yep. Okay, so when you're watering your pots, first thing is to make sure that your pot fills right up with water, so it soaks right in. Right up. That way your plant gets plenty of water. You can hear the water bubbling down. That's the best way. Alright, so I hope you've enjoyed episode 50. Thanks for watching today. Please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode. Thank you. Catch you later.